In this video, you'll learn how to create a live stream and video content website using WordPress. By following these steps, you will set up a platform that allows you to share video content effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Look for the option labeled Sites on the home page. Once you click on this, you will be directed to a page where you can manage your WordPress sites. Next, find and click on the button that says Create with AI. This option is usually prominently displayed to help you get started with site creation quickly. After selecting this button, a new interface will appear guiding you through the setup process. After that, you will see a section titled Laying the Foundations. Click on this option to proceed. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your website's structure and functionality. Once this appears, you may need to wait briefly for the AI to load the necessary resources. During this time, you will see a loading indicator animation, which confirms that the system is preparing to assist you in building your site. When the message appears stating, "Make a website as unique as you," it indicates that the AI is ready to help you customize your site. This is the point where you can start defining what your website will look like. Next, type in "Create a live stream and video content website" in the provided text box. This phrase will serve as the foundational name for your website, guiding the AI in generating relevant content and themes. After typing in the name, click on the Enter key. This action confirms your input and allows the AI to process your request further. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the AI is working on your site. Then a message will appear confirming that WordPress.com can create a live stream and video content website. This reassurance means that you are on the right track and the AI is ready to assist with your project. Next, you will need to choose from the options provided above. This step will help refine the AI's focus on your specific requirements and preferences for the website. Once you have made your selection, click on Enter again to confirm your choice. This action will guide the AI to the next step in the creation process. After that, a message will prompt you with a question about what you would like your website to be called, specifically the site title that will appear in the browser tab. This is an important part of your site's identity. Type in the desired name for your site in the designated field. Make sure this name reflects the content and purpose of your website, as it will be visible to your audience. Following this, click on Enter to submit your site name. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your site title has been accepted. Next, you will be prompted to provide a short tagline or description that will show in search results and social previews. This tagline should succinctly convey what your website offers to users. Type in your chosen tagline in the appropriate field. This description will help potential visitors understand the purpose of your website at a glance. After entering the tagline, click on Enter once more to confirm your entry. You should see a message indicating the system is processing your input. Now, proceed by clicking on the button labeled Create My Site. This action initiates the final steps of your website creation process. A message stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing," will appear, confirming that the system is working on generating your website. This process may take some time depending on server load and other factors. You will need to wait for the system to generate your site. During this period, it is normal to see a progress indicator which will inform you of the status of your website creation. This might take a while, and it is important to be patient. The complexity of the features and content you have chosen can impact the time required for completion.